Here at God's Pit Crew, we're no stranger to disaster. It's hurricanes, floods, tornadoes. They typically destroy so much, but people typically can come back to find mementos, family pictures, even if it's in the rubble. But not with fire. Fire takes everything, like it did for a family in Georgia.
About 7:30 that morning, I get up and go to work. I get to work by 8. I work right around the corner at the EMS station. 10:30, my boss comes across the radio. He says, "Hey, I need y'all back down to 110. To the command post. We have a wildfire that's running rampant, and it's got multiple structures." From 10:30, when we got a call that it's creeping up on structures, to 11:15, we didn't have time to even get down here due to the fact this thing was running so fast and with no notice. But I didn't know the structures that it was going to be running towards was going to be mine.
Within minutes, a brand new home, everything this family had worked for, was gone. They watched it melt to the ground before their very eyes. Thankfully, their family survived. But everything else they have on this planet other than the clothes on their back didn't. This fire consumed 30,000 acres, destroyed over 100 homes, and left countless people like the Littles with nothing.
The fire in Georgia took so much from so many people. And after seeing it firsthand, I knew we here at God's Pit Crew had to do something to get involved. So we were able to go and help those thanks to partners here, all over America, and people in Georgia to give the Lynn family a brand new home, no cost to them. We were able to get a brand new double wide, have it set up, furnished, have decks put on it, and hand them the keys and let them know that they are not alone. Brandon said it was kind of like winning the lottery, because what's the first thing you would buy? A home. And that was possible thanks to you, the good Lord above, and the amazing people of Georgia. But this is just one of hundreds, if not thousands of people's stories from all over the country and people that we here at God's Pit Crew have been able to help and affect. So we're looking for you to get involved. Share this story with the people you know, or go to godspitcrew.org to learn more.
This is our new home.